Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: a clear audio source, a converter app or service, and sufficient storage. Plug in your microphone or import the WAV/MP3 file, then set the sample rate to 16,00048, 000 HC. 44, 100 HC is a safe default for mixed content. Once done, enable noise reduction and adjust input gain so levels peak around -6 dB to prevent clipping. You do this to maximize transcription accuracy and avoid re-record. Next, configure conversion settings. Pick the language, choose a model size that balances speed and accuracy, and enable speaker diarization if multiple voices appear. Once configured, preprocess the audio, trim long silences, normalize volume, and split files over 30-60 minutes into chunks to reduce errors and memory spikes. Then kick off transcription and watch the progress bar. If using local GPU, monitor utilization. If cloud, check for rate limits. This ensures steady performance and catches issues early. Finally, review the output and correct misheard words, punctuation, and timestamps. Make sure speaker labels match dialogue if diarization was used. Export in the format you need: TXT for quick copies, SRT/VTT for captions, or DocX for editing. Preserve timestamps when creating captions. If accuracy is poor, troubleshoot. Reprocess using cleaned audio, reduce noise, increase clarity, split problematic segments, or switch to a larger model. One reliable tip: rerun only failing segments after audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.